Alright, we're gonna be playing some Monkey City this time. So, let's just get right into it. Going to the main place. So, let's see what I've got up to so far. I'm not gonna spend 20 balloon stones on just instantly finishing this. I'm patient enough to wait 19 minutes. Okay, so... yeah, I don't know how... I'm trying a new way to record the game audio. Since it's, like, quiet. I don't know how it is this time because I'm using my headphones to play the audio. My headphones are at max volume, but I'm not wearing them. They're right onto the phone's device on the device. Let's see here. I'm gonna try this BFB very hard. Oh. Okay, so let's see. I don't know if the volume of the game is louder than my voice. I don't know if it is, but I may just had to just move it actually. Because I just need my mouse. Let's see if this is very hard. So, I'm not sure how much of these I can do. So I'm not trying to waste phone space. Because my phone doesn't really have that much space to record these types of videos on my phone. This has 26 rounds in it. And this is up to a BFB and it's very hard, difficulty. I can't sit still in my chair. Yeah, let me make sure the camera is not distorted. With its bit. Make sure the contrast is not too high. Oop. Okay, this is the best you can see it. Because I'm recording this at nighttime. Well, actually, let me go turn on the lights. There. That was just hell. I don't think I did anything. It's whatever. Okay, the sniper needs night vision goggles for camo lead. You're not the apprentice. Why do I only have one of them? No. Why did I only build one? And never another one? I'm gonna get an engineer. So far this is being easy, but I think eventually it's gonna become difficult. I don't know why the sentries are very good. You know, it just creates 3 of them. Just 3 more defense down. The attacks are on the speed of a dart monkey. Jeez. Already a lot this much? Oh, knew it! I could have guessed that they would do lead this early. I have 19 free monkey boosts. Because I barely need to use them. Round 9 out of 26. It's gonna be a long one. Just for the first one I'm doing. The bomb shooter can't reach. By barely. So I'm gonna fix that problem by adding a village. Oh, Jesus! That was a lot of lead. Oh wait, I'm done here. Unless if I don't put road spikes. There we I'm gonna keep it in slow-mo for now. There. Okay, I almost lost there. To a big lead attack. I'm gonna put a spike factory in. And the range of the village to make it upgrade a little cheaper. Oop. Bigger stacks. Yeah, I think I see what the game is now trying to do with this. It's trying to make the rounds difficult by always doing a swarm of lead. So I just need the glue spiders in. If there's gonna be a lot of balloons in this. And mobs are coming soon. So I have to be ready for it. Or I just might lose. Oh. Jesus. Why is there that many balloons? Alright, cheaper site upgrade. So far it's going good. Oh, here's when ceramic finally comes in. It's okay. I'm gonna do that. Gonna be another spike factory. Hopefully it's in range. I have to play it right here if it's gonna be in range. Oh! Alrighty! 2 mobs! A swarm of lead. It's being just swarm of lead. Okay, I'm ready for mobs. Honestly, I'm not ready for a BFB yet. Until I get some more defense down. Is that all the upgrades? Nope. I have one more upgrade for this one. Still can't sit still in my chair. Uh-oh, camel head. It took until round 21 for camel head to appear. I'm gonna keep just getting engineers for their sentries. Since prisoners are good. And they might look like they're not. Is this a hard and heavy? You know what? Those types of things were never in this version. They still like, exist because they're still like doing it. I'm just gonna get the super monkey down, which is probably not a good idea, but I'll still do it. It's not that strong. You know, it's literally attacking so fast. Oh, jeez. That was a BFB. Oh, here's the last one. The last round has started. Of course, there's more than one BFB in this. How many are there? There was only 2 on that final round. Alright, finally. It only took 9 minutes just so I can win. Okay, I understand I'm not ready for ZMGs yet. Yeah, I don't like that tile. I understand I'm not ready for those. I don't really want to do that. The contested territory. Medium. I'm gonna do easies for monkey knowledge, if that's what the monkey team is. So ninjas only. I'm only gonna use non-stop if it's easy if I know I can easily win. I'm not doing it if they're very hard ones. Like if they have robes, ceramic, or that. I'm trying to keep drinks away from my setup because I easily spill cans, which is a problem with me. That's why I'm trying to try to give a new way when drinking cans. I don't know why the screen's small like this, though, when you're in battle. Again, there's no lead in this. So I don't have to waste my Bloonstones if I'm doing monkey teams. Unless bomb shooter is allowed to be used during monkey teams with it. I didn't see it. I don't think I saw bomb shooter. It's been like almost 3 minutes since I've done this. Is that how long these take? Yeah, I can't really do that much. This. I'll just end it. I'll end it when I'm done with this. Get out of the way. So currently, I'm recording this on the weekend, on Saturday, on very early, because my sleeping routine is messed up right now. But my mom planned to during this weekend to get me things to help me sleep better, and I hope it works because I'm tired of being up around these points. Because I always feel tired at school most of the time because of this issue that I can't handle. But I'm almost finally done, with just an easy difficulty. I want to get something. I want to get these ninja discipline just in case. Even though I saved a lot just for not doing anything. Okay, finally though. It feels like I'm being impatient. Oh, Monkey Team just gives... That's what it just gives? It just gives Bloonstones. Okay, let's see. Nothing I really wanted. See how much... I'll use the Bloonstones I got from the Monkey Teams to finish. Oh! Leveled up! Bill, I just now somehow did that. I just now did this somehow. Third farm. I don't think I have room for that. I can't actually do this. I still can't beat this. You know, you get 30,000. I could almost beat this. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Bye.